May question yung subscriber natin. Hindi raw siya pumasok noong December 23, last day of work ng kanilang company. Hindi raw siya bayad ng double pay. Tama ba yun? Well, ang rule natin sa absences bago mag-regular holiday, of course, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito yung December 25th, yung Christmas Day. Ang sabi dito ng ating rules to implement the labor code, employees who are on leave of absence without pay on the day immediately preceding the regular holiday shall not be entitled to the holiday pay unless he worked on such regular holiday. Paano naman ngayon kung ang day immediately preceding the regular holiday is also a non-working day? No? Gaya nito, December 24, special day yun, non-working day din. So, sabi ng ating rules ganito, if the day immediately preceding the regular holiday is also a non-working day, then the employee who is on leave of absence without pay shall not be deemed to be on leave of absence on the day immediately preceding the regular holiday. So, ang ibig sabihin yan na kapag holiday rin ang araw bago mag regular holiday, then hindi siya mai-consider na on leave of absence on the day immediately preceding the holiday. No? Halimbawa, itong 24 dahil non-working day din, no? Hindi siya pwedeng sabihin na absent siya noong December 24 kasi nga non-working day din. Pero kung absent siya noong December 23 at wala siyang pay, then hindi siya ma-entitled sa regular holiday pay. Ganun ang mangyayari. Now, applying that rule dito sa ating sitwasyon, December 23 siya, hindi pumasok. So, ang ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng bilangin ang December 24 kasi ang December 24 mismo ay holiday rin, non-working day yan. So, December 23 ang titingnan natin. Ang tanong, nung absent ba siya noong December 23 without pay or with pay? Bakit relevant ang tanong? Kasi kung with pay siya noong December 23, entitled siya sa regular holiday pay noong December 25. Paano kung without pay? O kung without pay, nung hindi siya pumasok noong December 23, then hindi siya entitled sa regular holiday pay noong December 25. Anong regular holiday pay ba yung pinag-uusapan natin? Yung 100% na benefit na pinibigay kahit hindi ka pumasok noong December 25th. Pero ang medyo magulo lang dito sa tanong niya kasi sinabi niya na hindi raw siya entitled sa double pay. Ang tanong natin, bakit pumasok ka ba noong December 25? Bakit mo sinasabing double pay? Bakit naman natin nasabing double pay? Kasi ang regular holiday pay, nagiging double pay lang naman yan kapag pinasukan mo. Diba? Pero pag hindi mo pinasukan, 100% lang yan, hindi 200%. Okay. So dahil sinabi mong double pay, then ang tanong natin, pinasukan mo ba yon? Ngayon, kung pinasukan mo, then walang kinalaman kung absent ka o hindi noong December 23 kasi sinabi ng rules natin unless you work on such regular holiday. So, kung pinasukan mo yung December 25, wala nang kinalaman kung absent ka o hindi noong December 23. Pinasukan mo rin naman eh. So, ganun ang sinasabi ng rule natin. So, to recap, dito sa December 25 na to, kapag sa December 25 daw, ang araw bago ng December 25 ay absent ka at wala kang bayad, wala kang regular holiday pay, na which is 100% para sa December 25. Pero kung ang December 24 na pinag-uusapan natin ay dineclare din na non-working day, gaya nito, special day, then hindi ka maituturing na absent ka noong December 24. No? Pero kung absent ka ng December 23 at wala kang pay or without pay yung absent mo, then hindi ka entitled sa 100% ng regular holiday ng December 25. No? Kapag with pay ka, of course, entitled ka na ngayon sa regular holiday pay ng December 25, which is 100%. Ngayon, kung pinasukan mo yung December 25th mismo, it doesn't matter kung absent ka o hindi noong December 23. Kasi, nakalagay sa rules natin na entitled ka na sa regular holiday. So in that case, 200% or double pay ka. So kung meron kang clarification dito sa ating discussion dahil nga nilagay mo double pay ka, let me know para if ever discuss natin sa isa pang video or sasagutin ko dun sa comment mo. Sa iba naman, kung meron kayong mga clarifications, let me know by giving me a comment sa ating comment box. And again, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next videos. God bless.